think it's okay. This is my mom, Natalia. And okay, and if you're new here, oh no, sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Emmy, and this is my mom.
My name is Natalia.
So today we're going to make crepes. Is it crepes or crepe? Как сказать по-русски? Блины. Да. Okay, we're gonna just quickly start the video. Okay, ingredients we need: 3 eggs, olive oil, any kind of oil you have, honey, flour. How does they say in English?
Flour.
Flour. Okay, later. Baking soda, salt, lemon, warm milk, and room temperature yogurt. A plain yogurt would be the best. Fruits, you can just choose any kind of fruits you like. Raspberry, blueberry, strawberry, banana, what's this called? Coconut powder, pears, coconut pears?
Peels.
Coconut peels for the decoration. So let's begin our process. So now we finished making the base. Yeah, after you finish making the base, you have to make for 5 minutes. 5 minutes, not 10. Then we can start cooking. This is the good amount of texture. How to say?
Как что? Я даже не знаю, как что.
It's okay. Wait for 5 minutes, then we will come back. So now please turn on the fire. Use the olive oil or any kind of oil you like to use.
Butter also okay.
Nice. I'll try my best. Not bad, but not perfect.
It's okay, it's okay.
It's okay. I think it's okay. Okay, now we are making the last one. Dekimashita. We made it. Finish it. We finished.
Bye bye.
No, wait a moment. We have to decorate it first, okay? So, okay, it's very hot, so we have to wait for like a few minutes. Then we can start decorating. Finished making. It looks, I think it's okay. So let's try the taste. So good. Thank you for watching my video today. I forgot how to vlog. I forgot how to talk in front of the camera, so it feels really new to me. No problem, practice makes me feel stronger, so I'll try my best. Comment down below if you have any ideas for my YouTube video. I'll try my best to make the videos for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll see you guys on Instagram mainly.